We have accomplished 2 challenges here. First, we beat the game on commando. Rainstorm difficulty, everything basic. Then we completed it with the Huntress. For the Bandit, I have a new challenge. I am upping the difficulty to Monsoon. Additionally, I will not be going for the obliteration end. I have to beat Mithrix. If I want to loop, I can loop, but I have to beat Mithrix. That's our challenge, and let's see how many runs it takes with the Bandit. Okay, so that's the become invisible. Comes back. Is a shotgun. Crowbars would be great. Well, extra movement is great. Spending a lot of time on this first stage, but that's just to get a familiarity with the Bandit. Let's go up there. I feel like I haven't got. There's not many chests around. Not many chests around. There's no way for us to get up there. Let's go back over here, let our gunner take care of the things, and we'll go down below. Topaz Brooch I feel like is really good because we want to be real close. Focus crystals sound good. Uh oh. Okay, that was fine. Yeah, focus crystals sound great. Basically, we want one big hit. Crowbars are a must. Focus crystals are a must. And everything else, all the utility and such is kind of the same. Utility's basically the same on every character. Okay, I think we're good. Let's just do the boss. Just not a lot of shit on this one. Okay. True. I forgot about the Beetle Queen. Oof. The passive apply for every attacking. Oh, I can crit my. I'm so stupid. No! I got hit by... that was me being bad. Fuck! Oh, I'm so bad without a fucking slide or a blink or a... Oh. I need to learn how to bandit. Dude, there was no way. There was no way. There was no chance. That whole section, I had not near enough shit. Man, Monsoon is going to be difficult. This is quite a step up. Okay, yeah. That was not gonna happen. Oh, I don't know how to get strong with him. 2, I have purchased the DLC content. I can get all the items that you guys have been constantly talking about. Okay, let's figure out what these new items do. Reduce damage the first time I'm hit. Okay, that seems really good. Seems really good. Prayer beads. Still haven't fit. I still don't know what the beads do. We're gonna try and scrap it and see. Okay, he's dead. Oh, the bands are awesome. You can really burst them down from the back with focus crystal though. That's good. I think that's gonna be a key item. More key than I thought. Yeah, fuck it. Add an extra charge of your special skill. Oh! What the fuck? That's fucking awesome. I get 2 of them? With the bands? Okay, so that's fucking busted. That's what we're looking for there. Okay. Beautiful. 20% bonus stats on removal, gain all stored stats. Okay. Oh fuck yeah, that's awesome. Put 4 in there. So we're fast as fuck. Crowbar. Let's do the boss. I kill him in 1 shot. Fuck yeah. Okay. Okay. Boss is dead. Oh, we got another ring. Fuck yeah. Okay. Damn. Your critical strikes deal an additional 100 damage. Oh my, that seems awesome. Fuel cell. Because that gives that corrupts our fuel cell. Now we get 3 Rs. Oh wait, that's bad. That got rid of all of our shit. Oh shit. Whatever. ATG, please. Alright, where do they spawn? The magma worm. Okay. See ya, I guess. Come the fuck on. Die. Okay, the magma worm's running away. I guess we go towards it. Jeez. Okay, so they're dead. Let's go back. I don't know this enemy at all. So far they seem not too bad, but that's always the case. Oh, I need to heal. Oof. Oh, I'm dying. I'm alive. Mocha, somehow. Okay, we're slowly killing. Almost dead. Dead. Okay. We can just go through. Let's just use our Q right away. What? Okay. He stays there. Going invisible is ridiculous. And make him go in the air. Oh, shit. Let's heal up. Heal the fuck up. I don't know why he goes in the air, but I'm thankful for it. Oh, that's when I fucking die. Running simulator. When does my barrier come back? Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay. Back to full health, and then we fight him again. Ah! I got saved. Just gotta strafe him. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Having 4 of them is ridiculous. I jumped. Where'd he go? Oh my gosh. I couldn't see him. Oh. Oh. What? I don't know what the larva is. He did a lot of damage to me. Fuck. The Halcon Shrine? Oh, what? I didn't even get to see what it does. Let's try it. Oh yeah, the watch. Deal bonus damage. Oh, first chest bought yields more than one reward. Once per stage. That's fucking awesome. We can get rid of everything except for goat hoof. So let's just gamble a few times. Oh, those were the best too. And meat. Okay, so I do a ridiculous amount of damage. Let's try the Halcon Shrine because I've never done it. Okay, I don't know many of these. I think we're gonna try the stars. Do I get all of them? Deal bonus damage for each enemy killed? Let's just take this one, fuck it. Chance to root enemies on hit. All chronobaubles. Let's get random. Okay, that's awesome. Oh, that's my first chest. What does that do? It's passive. Okay. All shitty items, but whatever. Prey breeds are so good, I just gotta get rid of them. Oh yeah! Let's go. Unlockable characters. Okay. Where? It's up there. Well, alright. That's a lot of damage. Prayer beads. There's infusion. Oh hell yeah. That's the fungus. Oh yes. I keep forgetting that I can get off all of them. While the credit card is letting us do all. Okay, one dead. Okay. It's ridiculous. Oh. The star allowed me to get. Holy shit. Holy shit. If I lose, I don't know what to say. One dead. Enough of this. We definitely could have mounted, totally. They just don't matter. 2 scrap and it would cost 5 scrap. That's a ridiculous item. Is it worth it? Oh, is it worth it? Yep. Oh, that's awesome. Everything that I got rid of was great. Oh, yeah, that's the attack that's gonna get me. As I realized last time. Oh, I can't go less than half. Oh, I killed him. Gosh, it's so much damage. Okay. Okay, everything died. Okay. How many times? No! Okay, we're good. Hey. Oh! What the fuck? That guy spawned out of nowhere. Dead? Okay. Yeah, take my shit. It's gonna take a while for him to take all my shit. Okay, buddy. Give me my extra jump. Okay. Whew, he's dead. Now we gotta just survive, which should be easy. What? Why is there many portals? Why is there many portals? Let's just go, and then we can defend there. Bandit OP. Jeez. 9 run on Monsoon. Or I'm just getting better at the game. But also Bandit is very, very good. Did I keep my watches or did I lose my watches? I think I lost my watches. Because I don't have near as much damage as I did. Oh, I lost it in the third phase? I didn't even notice. I figured I was close to losing it anyways. As soon as they get death marked. The amount of damage is wild. See ya. Woo! Fuck yeah. There's the bandit, baby. 3 down. Many more to go.